That is the fate of your fate, of your fate. Anyone cannot see, cannot take the original Guru. That is know that original, that is less that original Guru. If we go to the religious book, we saw there are different kinds of original Guru, but they did not like the Shishya, did not like the Shishya. So we think about the path, about the Dhyan path. When we go to Dhyan and go to Guru, there is the most important of Guru and there is most important of Shishya. If the Guru is, Shishya is best, he can go to his aim, লক্ষ্যতে পৌঁছতে পারে। If we discuss the religious book, we know about Eklavya. He went to Dronacharya for Guru Karan, but Dronacharya did not take him. For the reason that Eklavya began to start himself. He made a murti, a Mrinmay murti, and he began to teach, and he reached to aim. So that is correct as the Guru Quran. That is the correct. That is correct in the field of Shishya.